Sanskriti Pandey, student of class 12B studying in Bal Vidya Mandir Senior Secondary School, Charbagh, Lucknow. As we have seen that there is increase in online platform in every field, I have made a project with my team that is based on marathon pillar number 9, that is demand. The title of my project is Office Employee Management System. We have made our project to store the information of employees. Now my friend Adya is going to explain you the source code.
We have used Pickle and OS module to create a program, as Pickle module is used for serializing and deserializing Python object structures, and it has played a vital role for the creation of our program. Whereas OS module has provided functions for interacting with the operating system, and we have used various functions in our program such as print and input function. Now let's have a view towards our source code. As we can see that in the main program body, a variable choice is being taken to input the user's choice for the menu given by us. The user has to enter 1 for his choice to create the file. So we can see that create file function is being executed. So we will move further towards the create file function, where we can see that a create file handle is opening a file in write mode, and a variable n is being taken to enter the number of employees, and then a loop is executed that number of times to fill the details of all employees, and the file is closing, and we will move again towards the main program. Now if the user's choice is 2, read file function is being executed, in which we can see that print function is directly printing the details of employees, and the file handle is opening a file in read mode. The file handle, as we can see that the file handle is again being closed, and the program will again move towards the main program. Now if user's choice is option 3, then append data function will be executed, where file handle is opening the file in append mode, and append mode is used to add more data to the file, and hence the system will again ask you to fill the data of employee, and file will again be closed. Now from main program, as you can see that from main program, if we choose option 4, a choice is being asked, and then search data function is being executed. We have taken a variable no to ask the user that which employee he has to search. Now the file handle is opening the file in read mode. If the employee searched will be found, the details of that employee will be displayed, else it will show that the searched employee the details of the searched employee are not found, and then the program will execute and main function will be executed. Next, if the user's choice is 5, modify function is executed, in which 2 files are taken. One is created by us, which is opening in read mode, and the new file which will help in modification of already stored data, and it is opening in write mode. Then a variable a is taken, which asks the user that which employee has to be modified, then employee number will be checked and data will be modified. Now from the we are moving towards the main program, and if the user's choice is 6, then delete function is executed, and first file handle is opening the file in read mode, and second file handle is opening the file in write mode. Then a variable rec is taken to ask the user which employee he has to remove. Then the system will confirm that is the user sure to remove the particular employee or not. If yes, then record will be deleted, and if no, a print statement will show that the record is not deleted. Then the current change file will saved. Now at last, if option 7 is being chosen, the print function will be executed, which will say bye bye, see you later next time, and thank you for participation. Now my friend Agrima is going to give you a description about our project.
The program will first show you the menu,
in which certain options are given. By choosing option first, you can create the file employees with a number of details, that is name, age, salary, department, etc. By choosing option second, you can display the details of employees. By choosing option third, you can add more details of employees. Option 4 will let you to search the details of employees. Option 5 will let you to modify. By choosing option 6, you can delete the details. Lastly, to exit, user has to select the option 7. Now my teammate Ada is going to show you the output.
So we see that as we run our program, it will first show you a menu. So we have to select option 1 to create the file, and it will ask you to enter the number of employees you want in your file. So I am entering 2. It will ask you for first employee number, then name, then it will ask you for age, and then salary, and at last department. Then the next it will ask you for the details of the second employer. And then as you can see, the main menu will reappear. And now if we choose option second, which says to see the details of employee, it will show me all the details of employees that I have entered. Now if I want to add more details, more employee details, I'll choose option 3. Now I have previously I have entered 2 employees. Now I'm going to enter employee 3. And then the details, and it will ask you the details of the employer. Now at the end, it will ask you, do you want to enter more records? If yes, you will enter yes, and if no, as I don't want to enter any more records, I'll enter no. And it will show me that one record has been added, as you can see. And then if you want to search the detail of a particular employee, you have to choose option 4. Now as I have chosen option 4, it will ask me employee number to be searched. Now as I enter 3, it will show me all the details of employee 3. Now it is asking me if whether I want to search more. If yes, I'll enter Y. Now if I want to search the employee number, the details of employee number second, I'll enter 2, and it will show me the details. Now moving further, the main menu will reappear, and if I want to change the details of a particular employee, I'll choose option 5. Now by choosing option 5, it has shown it is asking me which employee number I have to change. So if I am entering 2, it will again ask me to enter the name and other details. So it is as you can see that it's saying that details of a specific employee number has been changed. Now if I want to see that is the detail actually changed, so I'll enter option 2 to see the details of all the employees. So you can see that previously the employee name was Shreya. Now I have entered Agrima, so let's see if it is changed. You can see I have modified second employee number, and previously it was Shreya, now it's Agrima. So as you can see, the details have been changed. Now the main menu has appeared again. Now if I'll choose option 6 if I have to remove the details of a particular employee. So I'm choosing option 6. Now it is asking me enter the employee number to be removed. So I'll enter 3, and it will show me the details of of employee number 3. Now it is asking me, are you sure you want to remove this record? If I'm entering yes, it's showing me that record has been successfully deleted. So this is how you can delete a particular employee details. Now if I have to exit my program, I'll enter option 7 and it will say bye bye, see you next time, thank you for participation. So this was all about our project which can ease the workload of business managing authorities. Thank you.